Today, I'm making a steak sandwich that I'm gonna level up with a few ingredients. I'm making an SBLT. And I'm grilling as many of the vegetables as I can, including the lettuce. Okay, maybe not the lettuce, but pretty much everything else. So let's get started. This is gonna be a super fast cook, so it's important that you prep up all your ingredients ahead of time. We'll need some bread, which we'll cut in half. Next, let's get our lettuce ready and tear off a few leaves. Let's slice up some red onion. Okay, next our peppers. I'm using Fresno peppers. Next, let's slice our tomatoes. This well-marbled flat iron steak is the star of today's show. Let's first oil both sides with a little avocado oil. For seasoning, I'm using PS Seasoning's all-purpose rub. Be sure to cook both sides. I'm also dropping in a little freshly ground pepper, mainly because I love extra pepper on my steak. We are ready to start grilling. Be sure to oil our grates. I'll do about 2 or 3 minutes on each side, and once I'm happy with how good the sear is looking and checking internal temperatures, I'll put it off to the indirect side. If you want a medium rare, you want to pull at the 130-ish degree mark. This steak is so well marbled, it'll stay nice and juicy even if you overcook it a bit. After a few minutes, I'll check the temperature. I'll cover and let it come up to temperature. My steak is temping at 135 degrees. I'll pull, and while it rests, the carryover heat will get me to a nice medium. Let's start grilling our vegetables. Onions and peppers first. Next, our tomatoes. And now, our avocado. I don't like slicing the avocado and put it in the sandwich because after the first bite I take, the avocado just ends up falling out of the sandwich. If you don't want that to happen, smash it and make a nice avocado spread. Let's add the juice of 1 lime. If you're curious, I grilled the lime too. Okay, next let's drop in a little all-purpose seasoning. Finally, let's toast up our bread that's been buttered up. It won't take very long, so you'll definitely want to remove before it burns. Now that our steak has rested, let's slice it up. Let's give it a quick taste. This steak is awesome. Now, as tempting as it is to eat this as is, let's melt some cheese on these slices. Use any cheese you'd like. I'm using queso Oaxaca. Let's build our sandwich. A layer of mayo at the bottom, followed by our lettuce. Once the cheese is melted a little, let's drop it in. Okay, now our grilled tomatoes, followed by our spicy peppers and onions. BLT is not the same without bacon, so let's fry some up and add it to our sandwich. Finally, add our avocado to the top bun, and boom! Our delicious grilled steak, bacon, lettuce, tomato sandwich. I'm gonna cut in half and admire these great colors. Okay, it's time to taste. This steak sandwich is fantastic. Now, it might seem like I topped it off with a lot of ingredients, but that steak really shines. And a lot of it has to do with the seasoning. The Barbecue General by PS Seasoning, give it 2 thumbs up. Smokey Joe was right. It's great on beef, but enough talk. I'm just gonna continue eating. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, hit me a like, give me a subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.